Good day, family. It's your sister, Lusanda H, your self awareness coach, your dead doula. Someone yesterday complained about this mic. I lost my sponge, guys. I'll just use what I have. I believe that the sound is better with the mic, even though there's an echo. I'll try and fix that later on. Why am I here today? I am here today because I still want to finish up the question that a sincere question from my comments that says, why me? Why should it be me that's gonna be annulling the curse? Because you are a chosen one. That is not a case. That is not debatable. You are a chosen one. Why you were chosen, I don't know. But you were the chosen one. You were chosen because they knew that you can be able to annul the curse in the family. You can annul the curse in the family in all spheres. You understand me? Remember, there is a video that I posted that said, it is up to you to let this human experience walk all over you. It is up to you. You have a free will to do whatever you want. You are the one that's alive. If you want to party all your life until your deathbed, that's okay. It's your free will. If you want to be a person that's going to be heeding to their calling, it is still your free will. What I'm doing today, no one forced me. I'm not here to live for my ancestors. I am here to heed to my calling, to do what resonates with my soul. Something that when I do, it makes me happy, and I know that it heals someone else. That is your purpose. Your purpose is something that is aligned with helping others. So I'm not forced into doing this. Remember this. I am not forced to do this. This is my free will of saying that, you know what, I feel in peace, I feel fulfilled when I do this. So that's exactly why what you should do. You should choose what makes you happy, what makes you feel like you are alive, what gives you peace at night. It's your human experience. We are not here to live for our ancestors. We are here to experience our own human experience. But in the process, there's a mission that we have which aligns with helping others and also annulling the curses of our families. So it is up to you if you want to do that. I've watched people not doing it. I've watched people wasting their life. I feel like they're wasting their life. I mean, who doesn't want to feel how it feels to be at your higher self? It's a Friday. I don't want to be long. Chosen one. Remember, we are not here to live for our ancestors. We are here to have our own human experience. But in the process, our human experience is connected, our higher calling is connected into awakening others, into taking all the challenges that come into our lives and transmute them into what I'm doing today. I am not sitting here because I love it or whatever. It's part of me now. I love it, of course. But it's the lessons that I learned in life that makes me be bold and sit like this. It's your sister Lusanda H. Grow with me.